What's up, guys? Keith Trades. Today is November 1st, and a great day, and a great way to end off the week. Ended up going 2 for 2, just went 1 for 1 on live. Again, we obviously caught the longs there, and just overall, a great quality day. So we're going to get right into it. Again, structure for the day is very simple, right? I was looking for the long reversal today. Long reversal point would be to fill this 1 hour imbalance into this buy side point here. Unfortunately, we did not actually get a setup to that point. Off the open, we were looking at this 15-minute fair value gap for our retrace respect model, and we just did not get that. It just delivered, and we stayed disciplined. But what do we know? That discipline will always pay. We formed a fair value up here. We ended up kind of faking it out a bit, but it's all about candle closure. We closed nicely on it, so we're still respecting it. Coming into our 5-minute, we saw the inverse 5-minute fair value gap, and that was my setup. I sized in at this dip back down in the inverse 5. I added some more contracts at this 1-minute fair value gap, and my target was this unfilled 1-minute fair value gap for a scale break-even point. We ended up scaling some out here, left our stop in profit, and then the rest got out in profit around here. I was playing for efficient delivery. I wanted to see this 1-minute fair value gap respect and continue on higher. Unfortunately, yeah, the target did get ran the full PT. Again, we got an early entry at the inverse 5 and then dipped to the 1 minute for an ad. Again, our model would be what? 5-minute fair value gap forms, traded back into the fair value gap. We inversed the bullish. We would long here, targeting the high. That would be our model. But I was confident in the longs, especially after we see a discount retracement that gets respected nicely. So if we go from the low to the high of the day's range, market traded right into discount, respected nicely. We broke structure to the upside, forming this 5-minute. Again, we got in early at the inverse 5, added here at the 1 minute because I'm confident in the longs. But our true model would be the retrace into the 5, inversed the bearish, and then long it to the highs. But that was our trade. Again, we caught around 35 points here. Entries here for 25 were for 25 points. Entries at the 1 minute were about 35 points plus. Again, the max run up was 50 points, but I got stop out in profit here when we closed below this bullish fair value gap. Again, I'm looking for efficient delivery on my runners. Unfortunately, we dipped lower, then slid up. Totally fine. But that was our one trade on live, and we called it a week, right? We're just looking for one setup. We got that one setup, and that's it. I ended up taking a short trade, and let's go over that now. So understanding that we have swept out buy side. We see an inversed 1 minute fair value gap here, and we see nice rejections in respect of it. So I was looking for a small play, saying that if we inversed this bearish, it is likely that we run lower. We inversed here. I got short. Again, I almost got stopped out. My stop almost got stopped out. But let it go. Stick with the play. PT1 was this low, and then PT2 was this low for 37 points. Again, this trade is actually live trade posted, and it ran for about an 18-point scalp and then 37 points in total. Those are our trades today. A simple long model continuation off the 5-minute inverse, and then we played the sweep, buy side sweep, inverse respect. Again, this is early entry. I wasn't ready just yet. Once we inversed both of these bearishes, it's likely that we run these internal lows, which we did just nicely. So that was my 2 for 2 day. Again, there was plenty other setups you could have taken, but I'm totally content with that. That's a quick recap for you guys. November 1st, 2 for 2 day. A nice way to start the month and a nice way to end off the week. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you'd want to join the Discord, we'd love to have you. Link is in the bio. Peace out, guys.